Hello students, welcome to English class. Today in this video we are going to revise chapter 4 Little Benjamin. Students, by the end of this video you will be able to express the story in your own words, understand the meanings of difficult words and phrases, and you will be able to answer the related questions. Now students, open your Fragrance English Reader book at page number 24, chapter 4, Little Benjamin. Students, you have already done this chapter earlier, so today we are going to revise this chapter. Students, we will begin our revision by reading pages 24 and 25. But before proceeding further, I will tell you about the characters introduced in this story. Students, there are 7 members in the Golden family. Father Golden and Mother Golden have 5 children. Mary and Ruth are sisters. Adam, Joseph and Lemuel are brothers. Now students, we will revise the brief summary of this chapter. This chapter is about the Golden family who was extremely delighted with the arrival of a cute little baby in their home. They found the baby at their doorstep and welcomed it. They decided to take care of the baby and they also named him Little Benjamin. Now students, we will move on to the detailed summary of this chapter. The chapter begins when Golden family heard someone crying somewhere. They were expecting to see their pet cat Aladdin. Adam was asked to go at the doorstep, so he went out. When he reached at the doorstep, he was scared to see something white that was crying inside the long basket. So he went back and informed everyone what he saw in the basket. After hearing this, Mother Golden quickly ran towards the door and found a baby crying in the basket. As soon as Mother Golden lifted the child, it stopped crying. The whole family was surprised to see the baby. Mother Golden examined the baby's clothes and found a folded paper on which it was written that his mother was dead and his father was a waster. Father Golden asked everybody if they could send the baby to an orphanage because Mother Golden already had 5 children to take care of. Nobody in the family agreed with Father Golden. All the children wanted to take care of the baby by taking turns. Mother Golden gave the baby some warm milk and finally Golden family decided to keep the child in their house. Their next task was to give the baby a name. Mother Golden said that all her children already had biblical names, so she did not want the baby to cut off from this privilege. She asked Joseph to open the Bible. Joseph closed his eyes and opened the Bible. The first name that he read was Little Benjamin. In this way, the baby got the name Little Benjamin. Now students, before beginning with the reading, we will revise the word meanings and phrases of page number 24. Now students, our first word is extremely. E-X-T-R-E-M-E-L-Y. Extremely means awfully. Next word is delighted. D-E-L-I-G-H-T-E-D. Delighted means happy. Arrival. A-R-R-I-V-A-L. Arrival means to come. Doorstep. DOORSTEP. Doorstep means at the door. Appreciate. APPRECIATE. Appreciate means to admire. Next word is cheerfully. CHEERFULLY. Cheerfully means happily. Expecting. EXPECTING. Expecting means waiting eagerly. Pause means to stop. Scared means afraid. Students, in a flash is a phrase and it means very quickly. Indeed, INDEED. Indeed means in reality. Fluffy means soft. Now students, let's revise phrases. To come in means अंदर आने को. At his father means उसके पिता की ओर. Out of the door means दरवाजे से बाहर. Now students, let's begin with the reading. I think the kitty wants to come in, said Mother Golden. I hear him crying somewhere. Won't you go and let him in, Adam? Adam laid down his book and went out. The whole family looked up cheerfully, expecting to see Aladdin, their pet cat. There was a pause, and then Adam came back with a white, scared face. He looked at his father without speaking. So students, here the chapter begins when Mother Golden heard someone crying and thought that the kitty wanted to come inside. So she asked Adam to go at the doorstep and check. The Golden family looked cheerfully as they were waiting eagerly to see their pet cat Aladdin. After some time, Adam returned with a scared face and he looked at his father without speaking anything. So students, why was the whole family seemed cheerful? The whole family seemed cheerful as they were expecting to see their pet cat Aladdin. Now students, why do you think Adam was scared? Let's read in this paragraph. What is the matter, my son? Asked Father Golden. The cat isn't there, said Adam. It's a basket, Father. A long basket with something white inside and it's crying. Oh my God, said Mother Golden, and she was out of the door in a flash. The children also ran towards the door but were met by Mother Golden returning. In her arms was a long basket in which was indeed something white and fluffy that cried. So students, here when Adam returned, he informed everyone that he saw a long basket with something white inside and it was crying. When Mother Golden heard this, she ran quickly towards the door and then she came back with the long basket in her arms. In the basket, there was something white and fluffy that was crying. So, students, what did Adam see at the door? Adam saw something white inside the basket and it was crying. Now students, let's revise the word meanings and phrases of page number 25. Exclaimed. EXCLAIMED. Exclaimed means sudden emotion. Eagerly. EAGERLY. Eagerly means excitedly. Murmured. MURMURED. Murmured means whispered. Shells means outer coverings. Delight. DELIGHT. Delight means happy. Examining means inspecting. Waster. WASTER. Waster means useless person. Orphanages. Orphanages. Orphanages means homes for children whose parents are dead. Next is feeding means giving food. Chucklehead means a foolish person. Pricking means making small hole. Now students, let's revise phrases. Up in her face, उसके चेहरे पर. In a sudden movement of delight means अचानक खुशी से झूम उठना. In a rough hand means बुरी तरह से लिखा हुआ. To take care of means देखभाल करने के लिए. With a spoon चम्मच के साथ. At her knee means घुटने पर. With eager eyes means उत्सुक आंखों के साथ. Now students, let's begin reading. A baby, exclaimed Father Golden. Mother Golden lifted that child out. The baby stopped crying and looked up in her face. My heart, said Mother Golden. Come here, children. The girls bent forward eagerly. Look at its little hands, murmured Mary. They are like pink shells, only soft. Oh, see it move them, Ruth. She caught her sister's arm in a sudden movement of delight. Mother Golden was examining the baby's clothes. Here's a note. She opened a folded paper and read a few words, written in a rough hand. His mother is dead. His father is a waster. So students, here Father Golden was shocked to see a baby boy. When Mother Golden lifted the child, it stopped crying. Then she called her children. The girls bent eagerly, and Mary told Ruth, the hands of the baby were like pink shells. When baby moved its hand, Ruth caught her sister's arm in a sudden movement of delight. Then Mother Golden examined the baby's clothes and found a folded paper on which it was written that his mother was dead and his father was a waster. So students, what did Mother Golden carry in a basket? Mother Golden carried a baby boy in the basket. How did Mary describe the little baby's hand? Mary described the little baby's hand like pink shells. What did Mother Golden find in the baby's clothes? Mother Golden found a note in the baby's clothes. What was written on the note? It was written on the note that his mother was dead and his father was a waster. Now students, let's continue reading. The question is, said Father Golden, what shall we do with him? There are places like orphanages around. You have already got 5 children to take care of. Oh, we could help, cried Mary. I could wash and dress him. I know I could, and I would just love to. So could I, said 12-year-old Ruth. We would take turns, Mary and I. Do let's keep him, Mother. So students, here Father Golden asked everybody if they could send the baby to an orphanage because Mother Golden already had 5 children to take care of. But nobody in the family agreed with Father Golden. Mary and Ruth told Father Golden that they could take care of the baby by taking turns. So students, why did Father Golden initially want to send the baby to an orphanage? Father Golden initially wanted to send the baby to an orphanage because they had already got 5 children to take care of. Now students, let's continue reading. In 5 minutes, Mother Golden was feeding the child some warm milk with a spoon. The boys were now close at her knee and watched the process with eager eyes. See him grab the spoon, said Joseph. My, isn't he strong? Can he talk, mother? Joseph, you chucklehead, said Adam, who was 16 and knew most things. How can he talk when he hasn't got any teeth? Baby has got a tooth too, Adam. Mother Golden said, I feel it pricking through the gum this minute. Now students, here Mother Golden gave the baby some warm milk and the boys watched this process eagerly. Joseph told that the baby is strong enough to grab the spoon. He asked his mother if he talk. Then Adam told Joseph that he was foolish as he was 16 and did not know most of the things. Then how the baby could talk as he hasn't got any teeth. Then Mother Golden told Adam that the baby has got a tooth and she could feel it pricking through the gum. So students, what did Mother Golden do within 5 minutes of receiving the baby? Mother Golden fed the baby some warm milk so that it could stop crying. Why did Adam refer to Joseph as a chucklehead? Adam referred to Joseph as a chucklehead as he asked his mother if the baby was strong and could talk. So students, in today's video, we have read pages 24 and 25 along with word meanings and phrases. Now you have to read these pages again for better understanding and also learn the word meanings and phrases given on page number 23. Thank you.